I just wanted to shoot this quick video to show you how you can get into the training in your back office. I'm sure as a PowerLead system member, you've already clicked on this green easy button where it shows the getting started in 3 simple steps, where you join the Facebook page by clicking here. That's only for PowerLead system members. Choose which link to advertise below, either A or B, and you can learn how to advertise the link. That's it. So just scroll to that page and it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. But in this video, again, I just want to show you how to get to the training for endless free leads in your back office. It's a course that's valued at $300 selling on the internet, but as a member, you get it absolutely free. It's already available to you in your back office. All you got to do is hover over training, go to endless free leads, click on that, and you just click here to register, or if you've registered already, just click on that link. So when you just click there, a new page will pop up. You fill this out, click send, and you'll have your username and password, and that's it. So I took the liberty of logging into my back office endless free lead system, and it'll be the page that looks like this. You hover over endless free leads 2017, and you start here, get started fast, and the course is here, Facebook Fast Start, and you just click on play. And the video starts. Or you can also hover over here over EFL Mobile, which stands for Endless Free Leads Mobile. Click on that, and it's just compatible with your mobile phone. You can download files here and watch the video here and just follow the steps going through the script. And that is it. All of this is available to you right now as a PowerLead system member. Alright, take it easy.